This is year 2 for the challenge, and we really wanted to come back with something a little bit different.
We were a little skeptical of doing a Targa because of the backlash that car has always got.
We thought it'd be something fun to kind of relive some of the yesteryear glory of that car with some of the new school love appeal of the Targa.
We're trying to do something that is different from everybody else. This car is going to drive like a coupe. It's going to be fun. We're not here to blend in. We're here to make a stand and, hey, this is what we're about.
It was a neat car. It looked like it was in good shape, but still needed a lot of work, and thought it would be a good specimen for us. And when we got it, it actually was. It was pretty neat to see in person the first time.
It's ugly. It was a very bad color. It was a bright school bus yellow. Yeah, it was. I was like, this is not going to be. We're not winning anything with this.
The hardest challenge that we've had with the Targa is it's a clean slate. We've really had to build things from the ground up. So when we went to go put everything back together, we don't have the wiring diagram. We don't have all these other things because it is a hot rod, right? So we're kind of putting things together and piecing it together as we go. And it really all came together organically, which was great. And that's the, I guess, beauty of working with a team is it's not just one vision, it's the team's vision to be able to build something together as one, and it's really come out to be such an amazing piece.
So disassembly went pretty smooth. Most of the suspension got tossed out, minus the large components like the front factory control arms and the rear aluminum control arms. That's about the only two things that were retained on the suspension. All the interior was going away. We were going custom interior there. It's nice being able to build a car how you would want a car built, kind of with a blank check. I would say it's definitely ambitious for a dealership to pull down a car this far and do everything in-house. Paint, fabrication, mechanical has all been done by the Hendrick organization. So that is definitely, I think, something that may set us apart from the other guys.
Inside of Hendrick, everything's always better together. We really wanted to show the importance of teamwork, not just in our store, but in the entire organization. So being able to rely on Hendrick Motorsports for welding and fabrication work on the car, Hendrick Luxury Collision for some of the body panels and the paint work on the vehicle, and then us, obviously, at Hendrick Porsche to put all the pieces back together is a really good representation of what Hendrick's all about and working as a team. It was a great experience to have that, and really seeing everybody kind of push together and seeing the completion as it goes through has been a great achievement for us.
There's definitely a confidence there. I mean, it's nice knowing that it's all been done in-house. It's all been done by Hendrick organization instead of sending it elsewhere. Everything's going to be done right and up to the Hendrick standard.
I think the big thing is if somebody would see where that car was to where it is now, really will speak volumes as to the work that Hendrick can do. So really excited to show it off and really do the before and after shots.
We are going to be doing a pretty extensive shakedown on the track. We're going to learn some things about the car. We've got a lot of adjustability in the suspension, so we will get that car dialed in and very confident. We're bringing 2 sets of tires, right?
It's a fun labor of love that we've had. I think at the end of the day, they really enjoy the Targa model, something a little bit different. It's not the same old, especially with a lot of resto mods and stuff. They're all coupes and sporty and everything else. And we really wanted to build this car still sporty, but have the ability to make it a little more fun to drive.
There's going to be a lot of things I'm proud of. We've taken something different and made it just as good as a coupe. So I think that's going to really set us apart, is that we've taken a car that's not done often and it's turning into a really beautiful car. So I think overall the whole project I am going to be really happy about. So everything has really come together.